Oh, Lord.
Oh, my word. All right, Taurus, taking us into this segment, the prevalence of financial-related scandals in Jamaica. It's kindled an island-wide discussion about the reliability of our institutions, our financial institutions in particular. Joining us this morning to discuss the topic, can we trust our financial institutions? University of the West Indies senior lecturer in the Department of Economics and economist, Dr. Andre Houghton. Good morning.
Good morning.
In the hot
How are
seat.
you this morning? This hot seat. No.
Yes, it's cool.
Very cool.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy. So here we go. Tell me first of all, what you make of what has happened. I'd love to get your thoughts on that. And secondly, as to whether we are broad brushing now, because everybody now is complaining about all financial institutions as opposed to securities versus bank versus... so are we doing the wrong thing?
Yeah, let's take a quick history lesson. Over the last 10 years, we've made significant strides in how our financial industry appears to the rest of the world.
Yes.
You know, we've had significant debt reduction, we've had significant improvement in our rating from these rating agencies. We are now at a B+. That's a real big deal.
Who is that from? That's from S&P?
Yeah, S&P as well as from Fitch and the other
rating
institutions.
So that's a really big deal, you know, because Jamaica, as being a small country, we are now seen by the rest of the world as an emerging market economy where they want to invest their excess capital. And with this happening at this time, it's sending a real negative signal to the rest of the world about how Jamaica is handling its finances and the viability of our financial sector. And we have been aspirant of becoming an international financial hub, like a Cayman Islands, like a Bermuda, and so on and so forth. But we've been putting most of the weight on the tax side, like how do we get our tax system together? But the regulatory framework is even more important than getting the tax system together, because that ensures that when foreign investment comes here, it is secure.
Yeah.
As it relates to broad brushing, I don't think that the market cap of SSL was a significant portion of our financial industries, less than probably 5%.
2%, Minister, sir?
Exactly. So with that, it means that there's always going to be room for error, right? In economics, we take a 5% margin of error, so it's a 95%, and we're 98% here in the country, so we're still robust.
Okay.
The only difference is that because of this, the type of scandal and the people who it has impacted, it has gathered global attention and now sending that negative signal. So we have to be careful, and damage control must be done very, very quickly.
Yeah. So, and it's something that I think we discussed here with Garth. He was saying, you know, the percentage of the fraud that may have happened or might have happened and they caught it, you would be surprised, as opposed to the percentage that slips through. So his argument was, we still pretty much have strong structures and controls.
Yeah, if you can remember the 2008 crisis in America, you know, it started with a Ponzi scheme, not the same, but a type of thing that is similar in nature. And that's America. Think about America. And they weren't able to pick up on these guys, Bernie Madoff, these guys who were really undermining the functioning of the system.
Yeah.
So